In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote this kind of offer where people just need to submit their email address or take a small action and you'll get paid a pre-decided commission. And I'm going to show you how you can promote this offer for absolutely free, and people will submit their email address, and at the end you will be making money for lifelong by promoting these kind of offers. So if you are interested in this, then watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I'm going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then do not forget to like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Now the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply search on Google Max Bounty, because this is a CPA marketing tutorial, and this Max Bounty is a CPA network where you can find these kind of offers in an easy way. So just search on Google Max Bounty, click on this link, and it will open to the official site of the Max Bounty, which looks like this. And just click on are you an affiliate, and then follow the step-by-step instruction to create an account with Max Bounty. Once you create your account with Max Bounty, then simply log into Max Bounty and then click on this search, and then select in category, just select email submit, okay, and then click on apply search option. Now you can see there will be lots of offer which requires email submit only, okay, so that you can bring people to this kind of offer, and if they submit their email address, then you can make this kind of pre-decided commission. These are the rate of the email submit offers. So you can promote any offer that is available here, but for this example I'm going to select this offer, okay. Just click on it and you will see this kind of interface. Now it says SOI means single opt-in. So once a person submit their email address, then that's done, okay. You are going to make $1.90 for that person, and this offer can only be promoted in New Zealand, okay. And here are the traffic method that you can see that is allowed, okay. Allowed traffic types: you cannot do email marketing or give incentive like points, and you cannot do brand building kind of stuff with this offer. Now you need your affiliate link. For that you need to click on this build tracking link. Just click on it, and then you can click on any, okay. So for this example, just click on this search and then click on raw link, and you'll see your affiliate link is this one. So just copy this affiliate link. Now simply search on Google bit.ly link shortener, okay, and click this link, and it will open this kind of interface. Just scroll below and then paste your affiliate link at here and click on shorten, and then this is the shortened version of your link. However, you can sign up to this bit.ly for absolutely free and create your account on bit.ly, and you can shorten your link in a more appropriate way, okay. So for now, just copy this bit.ly link and save it at any place. Now it's time for you to bring people to this link, okay. Make people click on this link and sign up to this offer so that you can make money. And for that, what you can do is simply go to Google and search for OBS Studio, and then just click on this OBS Studio, and then you will see this kind of interface. Now if you have Windows, just download this, or if anything other than Windows, then you can download from here, okay. So once you download this, then you will see this kind of software will appear, and this is the exact software that I am using to make this screen recording video right now, okay. And you can also create a lot of screen recording video for absolutely free by using OBS Studio, and those screen recording video are going to be of higher quality. And in order to learn how to use this OBS Studio, what you can do is you can watch some other simple videos. It will take you like 10 to 15 minutes to learn how to use OBS Studio, okay. It is that simple. So once you learn to use how to use OBS Studio, then which is more than simple to learn, okay. And what you can do is you can also purchase a mic that will cost you like $10 to $15. That is Boya BeMob on mic, okay. Or if you can't afford that mic also, then what you can do is you can simply use your earphone of the mobile, okay, mobile phone earphone, and record the voice of your screen recording videos. Okay, it is as simple as that. But if you can afford Boya by M1 mic, which will cost you like $15 maximum, then that mic will be awesome. Okay, I'm exactly using that mic to record this audio. Once you have done this much, then it's time for you to bring people to your offer. Okay, and for that, what you can do is you can simply go to YouTube search bar and type how to get iPhone for free. Okay, in New Zealand, you can make a video and tell people how they can click the link that is in the description of this YouTube video and visit to this page and answer these few survey questions and select the color of the phone or whatever it is. Okay, and then sign up to this offer. Okay, simply explain that process in the way I am explaining you how to promote this kind of offers by using this free traffic from YouTube. Okay, simply explain it, don't be afraid. Okay, simply explain it and then upload it on YouTube. Similarly, if you search for other offer, for example, let's see here, $100 McDonald's gift card. Okay, so now some people in YouTube may be searching how to get McDonald's for free. Okay, and then you can simply show people this offer and tell them how they can sign up to this offer, submit their email address, and have a chance of getting this gift card so that they can have this McDonald's for free. Okay, you can show them that tutorial and make people to sign up to that offer and get paid. Now in the same way, what you can do is you can search for lots of other offer like $100 Adidas gift card. Okay, someone may want to buy a $100 product from Adidas and want it for free. You can show them that tutorial and see other offers what are here. Okay, so like $500 cool gift cards. Okay, so someone may be searching how to do shopping for free. You can show them a tutorial of this. Okay, how they can get this $500 Kohl's gift card by simply submitting their email address and taking this small survey. Okay, you can show that. Similarly, $150 Target gift card, and here you can see $1,000 Walmart gift card. So maybe someone is searching for like how to buy a how to get a gaming chair for free, which costs like $800, for example. Okay, they may be searching that on YouTube. So simply let's see. Okay, from here, how to get gaming chair. So here is how to get a gaming chair for free. Someone is searching for that. Okay, and maybe that gaming chair is available on Walmart, and what you can do is you can show them how they can get this gift card and purchase that gaming chair for absolutely free. Similarly, if that is not available on Walmart, here is another Amazon gift card. Okay, you can show people how they can get this Amazon gift card and purchase their favorite gaming chair. In this way, you can keep on making videos on YouTube and make money by promoting this kind of offers. So now this is a proven strategy. Okay, people will charge you money by selling you their course to promote this kind of strategic offer. I mean, this kind of strategic method. So I know lots of people are not going to take action because they think that recording a video is hard, but it is not. You can try it and it will become a good source of income for you within few weeks. Okay, so do give it a try. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Don't forget to like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.